Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. This is the iPhone 6s. Let's see if a 4-year-old smartphone is still worth buying in 2019. Well, the design is pretty much same as the iPhone 6 and generally all the iPhones up to the iPhone 8. The build, well, there's nothing much to say. It has metal at the back and glass front. Well, the build quality is pretty good. After long years of use, we get just some minor dents and that's all. Although this is a 4-year-old smartphone, the specs are not that old. It packs an A9 chipset, 2GB of RAM, just like the iPhone 8 and 7. Dual-core CPU clocked at 1.8 GHz and PowerVR GT7600 GPU. Although it's an old smartphone, it still runs on the latest OS, which is the iOS 12.1.4. The overall performance is still great and I can't really complain since there are no lags when opening or switching between apps. The 12-megapixel camera takes amazing pictures with great colors and contrast during broad daylight. Photos produced in low light are good but not great. Well, this phone doesn't have OIS, that could be the case here. Well, for videos you have an option of up to 4K at 30fps, which is awesome. The video quality is also great and so is the autofocus. With the 1750 mAh battery, you really don't expect to have an awesome battery life. But it's pretty good, I think because I use it as my secondary phone and because I changed the battery. So if your battery life sucks, then just try and change it. It takes less than 10 minutes to do it yourself. Anyway, I do manage to complete a day with a single charge, if I use the phone moderately that is. So getting the whole day won't be a problem to some users. Well, this is the last iPhone to pack a 3.5mm for earphones. If that's your thing, then this is for you. Well, the fingerprint reader is fast compared to the previous generations. But anyway, for the big question, is it worth buying the iPhone 6s in 2019? Well, yes, but if you get the Plus version, it would be even better. Anyway, this is still a solid device with good build quality, good battery life, good camera, and overall performance is still good. If you can get one for a good deal, then go for it. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.